Does Ramadan fasting hurt the body or benefit it? Ramadan fasting, when done correctly, can actually benefit the body. While it may be challenging at first, the body can adapt to the changes in eating patterns and may experience several benefits. Some of these benefits may include improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting during Ramadan may improve insulin sensitivity, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. 2. Weight loss. During Ramadan, people may consume fewer calories than they normally would, which can lead to weight loss. However, it's important to note that the weight loss may be temporary if the individual returns to their previous eating habits after Ramadan, such as my friend Salim, Abbas, Usama, and Maher. 3. Lower cholesterol levels. Some studies have found that fasting during Ramadan can lead to lower levels of total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood. 4. Better digestion. The stomach and digestive system may have a chance to rest and recover during Ramadan, leading to improved digestion and absorption of nutrients. 5. Improved mental health. Some individuals report feeling more focused and mentally clear during Ramadan, which can be attributed to the fasting process. It is important to note that fasting during Ramadan may not be suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and children are generally exempt from fasting. Additionally, it's crucial to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet during non-fasting hours to ensure adequate nutrition and hydration.